Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm putting the second video of the Excel function or the formulas and the function. Today we will be going through one of the pivotal functions in Excel, that is the pivot table, how to prepare a pivot table. As pivot table is considered as one of the dynamic function of Excel, where we can prepare any number of reports, any number of tables within seconds, any complicated tables also we can prepare within seconds. To start with the table, how to take that pivot function. First, just select that row, or you don't have to select the row. Just go to that insert option. There's a button called pivot. Just take it. So Excel will directly take all the used row on that worksheet. So we don't have to select it. Just go to that, and we will be given two options where I want that pivot table to be. It should be on the new worksheet or on the existing. If it is an existing, I have to give the location from where it will start its table. But for this, I am giving the new worksheet. So it will open a new worksheet like this. And on the left hand side, you can see a blank box. And on right hand side, you can see there are some values with the check boxes, with the blank check boxes. So these check boxes are nothing, these are the headings of my data. And then it's actually a tailor-made field, so I can select my data from here on how should my data or how should my table look like. So if you have that idea, you can just take it. So what I will be doing is that I want to have the region, and then on that, what are the total as per the region, and then we can add the month on the monthly total of each region. So this will be the task I will be doing here. So on that, I want the region in this row. So I will just select the region and I will drag to that row label. So it will come like this. And then I want the date to be displayed like this in the column. Go to that month, select it and drag it to the column label. A month will come in the column like this. And then I want to have the total. Take the total and put it in the value table, the sum of total. So here I have an option. There's an option called value field setting, where I can, instead of sum, I can have the count. It will give the total counts of this of on in February 2017. On the central, there was two transactions has been recorded, or I can give that average, min, max, product. I have a lot of options in my hand to give. So currently I'm just taking the sum, and then just click OK. So it will take the sum. If I want to add any filter on this, like I can give region, okay, representative. If I want to select a representative, I want to just check the sales for a particular representative for all the areas. So I can give rep. It's given here. It's a I can put on that filter report, and then just click on that drop down. It will come like this. Just select this multiple, select multiple item. Then everything will be having a checkbox, and just untick everything. If I want to just check for the Jones, click Jones and press OK. So it will show the total of the sales done by Jones for each month for each region. So that's how, if I just put it in that report filter. So it's nothing as per my requirement. I can just play with it, and I can just prepare as per my requirement. And you can see a filter icon like this, because I had filtered only with the Jones. If I just select all, then this filter icon will go. And the only disadvantages of this option is that if I'm making any changes in the data range, like I have made some changes in the data range, it won't reflect automatically in this pivot table. So for that, I have to do the refresh. Then only all the changes that's been done in this file will be reflected here. And Excel has some more options on how the report should look like display, because those who had used the earlier version of the Excel, there is something called classical pivotal tool that was available for that earlier version of the Excel. So if you are very comfortable with that, we can just go with this is how it would have looked. So those who had worked on that earlier version might know, and it will depend upon which format we want. Like that we can make the changes. So that's all pretty much about this function. And there are, like, on the display, if you want the new version, you can just put it in the new version and just click OK. It will come like this. So, and order date, if instead of the report, if I want to remove any value, I can just drag back to that to the main box. Everything I can draw, I can just put it on that old box, so it will be removed from my pivot chart, from my pivot table, or I can just untick from here, and based on my requirement I can just put it all the items and just find the total. Okay, so this is pretty much about this pivot function. So if you have any questions, just put on that comment section, and please subscribe so that I can put more videos on all the other functions of Excel. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.